Choose Art and Me.
Hello, little artist. It's Achu here. Today we are drawing something special for football fans around the world. Let's create Argentina's famous jersey number 10 and the beautiful map of Argentina together. Now let's add number 10. Do you know who made this number famous for Argentina? That's right, it's Lionel Messi. Next, let's draw the outline of Argentina. Every country has its own unique shapes. Now our drawing is ready for colors. This is where everything starts coming to life. Let's paint the famous sky blue stripes. White and sky blue together makes the one of the most recognizable football jersey in the world. Take your time and enjoy drawing each line. Which part are you most excited to color? Remember, every great drawing starts with simple shapes. Isn't it amazing how colors can make a simple drawing look alive? Your artwork doesn't have to look exactly like mine. That's what makes it special. Let's color the map using the same beautiful colors. Every country has its own unique shapes. Every drawing becomes unique because you create it with your own hands. Your artwork does not have to look exactly like mine. That's what makes it special. Now let's draw the golden sun of May on the flag. It shines brightly and makes the Argentine flag extra special. Masterpiece. We drew Messi's famous number 10 jersey and the beautiful country of Argentina. Great job today! Keep drawing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next adventure.